Okay, good morning. It's February 19th, 2025, and kind of an ideal setup to wake up to. Woke up with an oversold 15-minute RSI down here around this 28 level, which is typically my favorite area to buy the dip. And then I look back, you look back over here and you have the daily low of 61.30 and comes down, rinses out everyone that has their stops below the daily low by a point, and then proceeds to go 25 points. Happens over and over and over and over again. Hope you grabbed some of that. It was kind of anemic this morning, and it still is, being a Fed day. Um, yeah, so things aren't moving really fast. Well, they did finally once it bottomed, but this bottom took forever. There was no V to it. Like these are V's. These are basically, within the first 15-minute candle, you've hit your target. Picking this 1850 down here, it moves 10 points in 15 minutes. But when the ATR is really small, it doesn't really move. So you have to wait and or adjust your strategy to reflect the ATR. For example, um, you know, it was just going so slow. I actually sold here and just walked away because it was so slow. But should have left a runner. My bad. But now we're already at, and I've said this many times before, go to the daily template. Already retraced 76% of the retracement. So now you're back at a long trend. Can adjust this Fibonacci to this 61.29, or once it does this huge breakout, you just move it way up here like this. And now it's a breakout trade. So your 60.20 now is your new trend trade. We're looking at the 60-minute chart. Again, the rinse. My plan every day is the exact same thing. I just wait for this rinse. Buy the rinse, shakes out the longs, shorts close, goes back to the upside. Keeps happening over and over and over and over and over again, and I just keep trading that same pattern. For those of you that can trade short or other ways, good for you. Perhaps you can teach me someday. For now, I just do this, and it's enough. And trade them well. For tomorrow, after the Feds, I'll do another video to see what our shakeout is. But the market activity right now is acting like we want to break out to these all-time highs. We're setting up an ascending triangle off this 61.58 level. So look for that to be broken to the upside. We will be taking out this all-time high up here of 61.82. I mean, we're only 30 points away from it. 30 points is like, we moved, 20 points today, 25 points. And then yesterday we moved 61.20 to 61 to 35 points. So we're really just one move away from breaking out to the all-time S&P futures highs, and that will happen. Could happen just today, right on that Fed move, just bam, explodes up and goes to new all-time high.